Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to run on air in Gorilla Tag. To begin, focus on the basics of wall running. This advanced technique requires consistent practice and a good understanding of the game's physics. We will cover key strategies to help you master this skill, allowing you to navigate the map with incredible speed and agility. Get ready to elevate your gameplay to a whole new level. The foundation of air running is a solid wall run. Start by approaching a vertical surface at about a 45-degree angle. As you make contact, use short, quick hand movements, pushing slightly upwards and forwards. Imagine you are climbing a ladder, but horizontally. Keep your movements fluid and avoid pushing too hard, which can cause you to lose grip and fall. Once you've mastered horizontal wall running, it's time to go vertical. Angle your body slightly into the wall, almost as if you are hugging it. Use rapid, alternating hand movements, pushing upwards with each hand. Think of it as a series of very small, precise jumps. Each push should be just enough to keep you attached and moving upwards, allowing you to scale tall structures. To truly run on air, you need to seamlessly combine these techniques. Practice transitioning from a horizontal wall run into a vertical ascent, and even making quick turns to switch walls. This requires excellent spatial awareness and precise timing. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to practice these movements, and you will soon be navigating the Gorilla Tag map with unparalleled freedom and speed, leaving your opponents in awe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.